So without further ado, let's go ahead and put these to use. I'll work out part A with you guys, and then maybe ask that after class between now and tomorrow, you can work out part B, and I'll post the solution on Blackboard shortly after today's class. So it says here, let a rectangular x prime y prime coordinate system be obtained by rotating an xy coordinate system counterclockwise through an angle of 3 pi over 4, or 3 pi over 4. We want to find the x prime y prime coordinates of the point whose coordinates are 1, 2. I want to point out that 1, 2 is based on the original xy coordinate system. And since we know that the x and y axes are going to be rotated by 3 pi over 4, we actually have every ingredient necessary in order to use the formulas for x prime and y prime. As a reminder, the formula for x prime goes x cosine theta plus y sine theta. Now the x value that we're going to use is 1, and then the angle theta that we're going to use is 3 pi over 4. And we're going to add that to the original y coordinate of 2 times the sine of 3 pi over 4. And I hate to do this to you guys, but we are going to have to do some unit circle trig here. This right here is going to be 1 times negative radical 2 over 2 plus 2 times positive radical 2 over 2. Now I'm going to write this as negative radical 2 over 2 plus 2 radical 2 over 2 just for common denominators. And adding the coefficients together, we're going to get 1 radical 2 over 2. So that right there is the x prime coordinate. The y prime coordinate is given by negative x sine theta plus y cosine theta. All right, why don't you go ahead and crank that one out. Take the next minute or so to do that, and then I'll post my solution, and we'll call it a day. All right, so for this one, we're looking at negative 1 times the sine of 3 pi over 4 plus 2 times the cosine of 3 pi over 4. And simplification yields negative radical 2 over 2 minus 2 radical 2 over 2. And then adding the coefficients together will give us negative 3 radical 2 over 2. So that's going to be y prime. And at long last, the ordered pair 1, 2 converts to radical 2 over 2, comma, negative 3 radical 2 over 2. And that's our final answer.